Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to convert a number into a string of dashes. Okay. So in order to do that, let's just include our library. Okay. So string.h. Right. That's the library that we'll be using, and of course, strcat. Right. That's the function that we will be using. Right. And we will pass the buffer over here and dash. Right, something like that. And our buffer will be, since it says that it won't exceed 100 characters, so we will assume that. All right, car. And next thing is we need a while, well, not a while loop but for loop, for int I equals 0. All right, and we need to loop I is less than until num. All right, we need to do I plus plus, and let's open the bracket as well. Let's get rid of this thing. We will have to close the bracket. We need to return the buffer as well at the end, right? And I think this should do the job, maybe. Okay, seems like it went into a thing. Okay, we must have been given a number, let's say 5. All right, so strcat and buffer, it might be this thing. Okay, let's try that. Okay, what happened? Expected that we got all this garbage, right? So let's do one thing. Buffer, there should not be any value in it, right? It seems like we are getting all the garbage value because of that. Otherwise our count is just fine, right? So in order to do that, right, so let's do 0 equals to, let's say, something like this. 0, something like that, right, to start with random values in it. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so now it's fine. We need to clear the buffer, right? First of all, we are just clearing it, just starting out fresh. Okay, so all we did is we created a buffer of 100 characters as it was told over here in our assumption. We cleared that buffer first of all, right, before using it, and then we looped from I to less than the number, and then we simply did string cat. Okay, just for concatenation purpose only. So let's submit our code. Let's see how other people have done it. Okay, let's check the solutions. Okay, some people have done malloc and then allocated some memory to the thing, right? Yeah, a lot of people have done that. That's a good approach as well, I would say. Right, this guy has done something similar. Malloc is also a good way to do it, right? So it's just allocating the size of it basically. All right, we should have made this buffer to be 101 because you would need the last one character for this ending character as well. That's a good practice. Okay, so that's how we can solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.